Are you ready to rev up your journey into the thrilling world of sport bikes? Whether you're chasing speed, style, or that first taste of two-wheeled freedom, choosing the right bike as a beginner is no easy task. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're counting down 8 sport bikes that are perfect for first-time buyers. From sleek city cruisers to adrenaline-fueled machines with just the right power, this list is packed with options that are beginner-friendly yet bursting with personality. So stick around. You just might find the ride of your dreams waiting at number 1. Number 8. KTM RC125. The KTM RC125 is a stunning entry-level sport bike, designed to provide new riders with a manageable yet thrilling riding experience. Powered by a 125cc single-cylinder engine, it produces 14 horsepower and 12 newton-meters of torque, offering predictable performance ideal for younger or beginner riders. Its lightweight trellis frame enhances agility, making cornering intuitive and enjoyable, while the WP Apex suspension ensures stability on various terrains. The aggressive MotoGP-inspired styling is a key highlight, featuring sharp lines, striking graphics, and LED headlamps that exude a premium feel. Weighing only 324 pounds, the RC125 is incredibly easy to handle, especially in urban environments or winding back roads. Safety is prioritized with a dual-channel ABS system, delivering confidence-inspiring braking even during emergency stops. However, its limited engine capacity and top speed mean it's not ideal for highways or long-distance rides, making it better suited for city commuters or learners keen on mastering the basics. The fully digital display keeps riders informed with essential metrics, adding a modern touch. While not a powerhouse, the KTM RC125's exceptional build quality, beginner-friendly nature, and distinctive styling make it a solid first sport bike. In the future, KTM could improve comfort and add advanced features, but as it stands, this bike is perfect for those seeking their first step into sport biking, delivering a balance of style, control, and fun. Number 7. Suzuki GSX250R. The Suzuki GSX250R delivers an exceptional combination of comfort, reliability, and style, making it a fantastic choice for first-time sport bike riders. Powered by a 248cc parallel twin engine that produces 24 horsepower and 25 newton-meters of torque, this bike isn't built for speed demons but provides accessible and manageable performance for beginners. Its riding position is more upright and relaxed compared to aggressive sport bikes, which is ideal for new riders who are still getting accustomed to longer rides or commutes. Weighing 392 pounds, the GSX250R has a solid and stable feel on the road, giving beginners confidence while navigating turns or handling stops. The bike features a steel frame and telescopic front fork that contribute to its comfortable handling and smooth ride quality. Its aerodynamic fairing and stylish design set it apart visually, appealing to riders who value aesthetics. One standout feature is its incredible fuel efficiency, with a 3.9-gallon tank that offers an extended range, making it cost-effective for commuters. While it lacks cutting-edge technology like traction control, its reliability and ease of maintenance make it ideal for entry-level riders who prioritize affordability and longevity over advanced features. The GSX250R may not be the best choice for thrill seekers or those looking for high-speed highway rides, but for urban riders and those keen on learning the fundamentals of motorcycling, this bike shines. Suzuki's dedication to producing reliable machines ensures that the GSX250R remains a consistent choice for first-time riders for years to come. Number 6. Aprilia RS 125. The Aprilia RS 125 is a legendary name among lightweight sport bikes, offering a top-notch entry into the motorcycling world for first-time riders. Powered by a 124cc single-cylinder engine, it produces 15 horsepower, the maximum permissible for a 125cc learner bike, delivering a lively yet manageable ride. Its aluminum perimeter frame provides exceptional rigidity and cornering stability, making it an agile companion on twisty roads. The RS 125's striking design takes direct inspiration from Aprilia's MotoGP heritage, with its sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, and aggressive stance turning heads wherever it goes. At 317 pounds, its lightweight nature ensures easy handling, making it ideal for beginner riders navigating through city traffic or back roads. The bike features an advanced digital instrument cluster and high-performance suspension, offering a premium feel to entry-level riders. The inclusion of ABS ensures safety, while the quick shifter option elevates its sporty appeal. While the bike excels in performance and style, its single-cylinder engine may not be ideal for highway use or long rides, as the limited power can make sustained high-speed cruising challenging. The RS-125 is best suited for young riders or learners who want to develop their skills on a machine that combines high build quality with an exciting riding experience. In terms of the future, Aprilia's focus on lightweight technology and innovative designs ensures that the RS-125 will remain a benchmark in the beginner sport bike category. Its ability to deliver adrenaline-filled fun while being manageable and learner-friendly makes it one of the finest choices for new sport bike enthusiasts. Number 5. Kawasaki ZX-4RR. The Kawasaki ZX-4RR is a standout in the beginner sport bike category, offering a rare combination of advanced features and approachable performance. At the heart of this bike is a 399cc inline-4 engine, delivering 76 horsepower when paired with the optional Ram air system. This makes it one of the most powerful options for new riders who are ready to take on a little more excitement. The bike is equipped with a trellis frame, Showa SFFBP suspension, and a bidirectional quick shifter, ensuring both precision handling and comfort on a variety of terrains. Weighing approximately 415 pounds, it's slightly heavier than typical beginner bikes, but this adds stability, especially at higher speeds or during cornering. The ZX-4RR features an advanced electronics package, including traction control, riding modes, and dual-channel ABS, giving first-time riders confidence to explore their limits safely. Its aggressive styling, inherited from the ZX family, features sharp lines and a striking LED lighting setup that is guaranteed to grab attention. However, it's worth noting that this bike's performance may intimidate absolute beginners, making it a better fit for riders who are transitioning from smaller displacement bikes or those eager to push their skills. On the flip side, the ZX-4RR is an investment in a long-term riding experience, as its features and power make it suitable for more advanced riding down the road. For those looking to start with a bike that offers a blend of excitement, safety, and technological prowess, the Kawasaki ZX-4RR is an outstanding option that bridges beginner and intermediate sport biking. Number 4. KTM RC390. The KTM RC390 is a game-changer in the entry-level sport bike segment, delivering impressive performance while remaining beginner-friendly. It boasts a 373cc single-cylinder engine that produces 44 horsepower and 37 newton-meters of torque, offering just enough excitement without being overwhelming. The bike's steel trellis frame is both lightweight and rigid, enhancing agility in corners and confidence during spirited rides. At 342 pounds, the RC390 is easy to handle, making it perfect for riders just starting their motorcycling journey. The suspension setup, featuring WP Apex USD forks and a rear monoshock, provides excellent comfort and stability, while the Brembo brakes with dual-channel ABS ensure safe and predictable stopping power. What sets the RC390 apart is its aggressive styling, with sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, and a premium LED lighting system. The TFT display adds a modern touch, displaying all vital metrics in an intuitive way. While this bike is excellent for city riding and twisty backroads, its single-cylinder engine may lack the refinement required for extensive highway touring, especially at high speeds. The RC390 is best suited for riders who want to explore spirited sport biking without stepping into intimidating power levels. Its lightweight construction, thrilling performance, and striking aesthetics make it a top choice for beginners. KTM's focus on innovation means the RC390 will remain a staple in the beginner sport bike category for years to come. It's an excellent investment for those looking to refine their skills while enjoying a sporty and engaging ride. Number 3. Yamaha YZF-R3. The Yamaha YZF-R3 is an absolute gem for first-time sport bike riders, offering a blend of approachable power, exceptional reliability, and stylish design. At its core is a 321cc parallel twin engine that produces 42 horsepower and 29 newton-meters of torque, delivering smooth and linear power that's perfect for beginners building confidence on two wheels. The lightweight chassis, tipping the scales at 373 pounds, ensures nimble handling, making it a dream to maneuver through city streets and twisty back roads. Its aerodynamic styling draws inspiration from Yamaha's legendary R-Series bikes, featuring an aggressive look with LED headlights and a sharp fairing that exudes sportiness. The suspension setup, with 37mm KYB forks at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear, provides excellent comfort and stability, while the ABS-equipped disc brakes inspire confidence during sudden stops. The YZF-R3 is ideal for riders looking to hone their skills without feeling overwhelmed, as its predictable power delivery and forgiving nature make it a great learning platform. While it lacks advanced electronics like traction control, its simplicity adds to its reliability, which is a key consideration for first-time owners. It shines as a commuter, weekend fun bike, and even an entry-level track machine, offering versatility that appeals to a broad audience. Yamaha's commitment to quality ensures that the R3 remains a favorite in the beginner category, and its aftermarket support allows owners to customize and grow with the bike over time. Whether you're a new rider craving your first taste of the sport bike world, or someone looking for an easygoing yet thrilling ride, the Yamaha YZF-R3 is undoubtedly one of the best choices available. Number 2. Honda CBR 300R. The Honda CBR 300R is a quintessential beginner sport bike that combines Honda's legendary reliability with a user-friendly riding experience. Powered by a 286cc single-cylinder engine, it delivers 30.4 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, making it an approachable choice for new riders. The engine is smooth and predictable, offering ample performance for city commutes and weekend rides without intimidating less experienced motorcyclists. Weighing just 357 pounds, the CBR 300R feels light and nimble, making it easy to maneuver through traffic and around tight corners. It comes with optional ABS, providing an added layer of safety during braking, which is particularly reassuring for first-time riders. The bike's design takes inspiration from the CBR family, showcasing sharp and aerodynamic fairings paired with a comfortable upright seating position, striking the perfect balance between sportiness and comfort. With a 3.4-gallon fuel tank and impressive efficiency, the CBR 300R is as practical as it is stylish. While it may not have cutting-edge features like ride modes or a TFT display, its simplicity contributes to its accessibility and ease of maintenance. This bike is perfect for beginners who want a reliable, forgiving machine to learn on, but it may feel underwhelming for riders seeking higher speeds or long highway commutes. However, as a stepping stone into the world of motorcycling, the Honda CBR 300R remains one of the best choices available. Its low running costs and Honda's proven durability make it a solid investment, ensuring the bike will serve riders well as they build their confidence and skills. Number 1. CFMoto 300SS. The CFMoto 300SS is a hidden gem in the sport bike world, offering exceptional value for first-time riders who want a blend of style, performance, and affordability. Powered by a 292cc single-cylinder engine that generates 29 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, the 300SS delivers approachable yet engaging performance. This makes it ideal for riders learning the ropes, as the manageable power ensures confidence while navigating city streets or tackling twisty roads. One of its standout features is its premium design. Sporty full fairings, striking color schemes, and LED lighting make it look far more expensive than its price tag suggests. The lightweight construction, with a curb weight of 364 pounds, ensures easy handling and maneuverability, while inverted front forks and radially mounted brake calipers provide stability and precise control during spirited rides. The bike comes equipped with ABS by Continental, enhancing safety for novice riders during sudden braking situations. Its 6-speed transmission allows smooth gear shifts, and the 3.2-gallon fuel tank offers impressive range, making it perfect for daily commuting or weekend adventures. The digital display presents all vital information at a glance, contributing to a modern and user-friendly riding experience. While it may not have the outright power to compete with larger displacement bikes, the CFMoto 300SS shines in its ability to deliver a fun, beginner-friendly ride without compromising style or practicality. Looking ahead, CFMoto's dedication to innovation and affordability ensures that the 300SS will remain a top contender for new riders seeking their first sport bike. Whether you're a young enthusiast or someone venturing into motorcycling for the first time, the CFMoto 300SS is an excellent choice that combines features, performance, and value in one compelling package. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite pick in the comments. Ride safe, and I'll see you next time.